Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the making the decision. Uh, so we are going to work around the business here. We masterminding the information around the business. So making the decision is the most important. If you not making the decision, whatever around the business or something you want to move forward, and people they don't know how to make the decision, and they are just because they are waiting for the outer circumstances to change, and then they are thinking they're going to make the decision. But making the decision before is by law, and then definitely things going to make the move and change. So stay the end if you want to have a full benefit out of this YouTube. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentors are Bob Proctor and Sandy Gulger, and this is what I have learned from them, and this is what I'm going to share with you, the same information. But Bob taught this information more than 60 years, and this is what I'm going to share with you. So making that decision is very important. If you're not gonna make the decision, like investing in yourself or to move forward, and how can you help others? For me, when I did my consulting, and it was a lot of money to spend, but I made the right decision on my faith and believing in myself, and I'm glad I did that because the first person I am now, what I have learned from my mentors is really helping me with how to deal with the family and friends, and how to develop the business, and it's really helping me. And if I would have not learned this information, and I would have stayed on the same place, and I would have not learned how to learn your own mind, and how to learn the universal laws, and how everything works from inside out, not from outside in. And most of the time we think if the outside circumstances will change, then I will change, then I will start doing the things. Once these circumstances will change, then I will do something. But people are not aware of it. This is the reason they just sit there and they are waiting for circumstance to change, and they never change, and then they are just staying on the same place. If you want to move forward, you have to make the decision. You have to invest in yourself. People don't really think about investing in themselves. By law, what you give, you receive back. First, you have to give something to yourself, then you can give to other people, as whatever your service is, whatever your business is, whatever your product you are selling, or your whatever the business you have. But you have to invest in yourself. There's no such a thing, something for nothing. And each person, they have to invest in themselves by money or the time or taking action, and to make you move forward. Move forward means whatever you're trying to desire, or whatever you're trying to achieve, this is the only way to move forward. So I would say make the decision uh, to invest in yourself, and then you can move forward, and then you can help other people better, whatever your business is. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm sharing this information with others. And because first I have to invest in myself, I have to improve myself, I have to every single day, definitely I'm studying every single day on myself, improving myself, and I can help better, mean helping others. And um, and if you don't do that, how can you help others, or how can you help yourself? First, you have to help yourself, then you can help others. Help means whatever your business is, whatever way you can help others, whatever your purpose is, and you can do better job, better. You can do better to help others. So this is the only way I will going to say. Start investing in yourself, and then definitely what you are giving to yourself, then you can help others. You can share that knowledge and information with others also. Or if whatever your business is, whatever the product you are doing, and you can do better service through your business. So investing in yourself is the most important. People are not aware of that. They just sit there and then just waiting for circumstances to change, and the circumstances sometimes they never change, and this is the reason. And your experience of life or circumstances and they stay the same, because we are not changing whatever is gonna take or to invest or time or money to change something. So as I said, there's nothing something for like a free. There's nothing in the universe world comes free, or we have to either give money, or we have to give a time, or to do whatever we are trying to achieve. So all I want to tell you, if you are just sitting and waiting, don't just sit and wait, and make the decision. Decision is the most important, what I have learned. And people, they don't make the decision, they are just sit and wait. So make the decision to move forward, whatever you have to take, invest in yourself, and then you can move forward yourself, and then you can definitely you can start doing the things you love doing, or and helping others. And by law, this what you give, you receive back, and definitely you're going to return back. So hopefully you're going to start making the decision, whatever the decision you have to make, and then you can move forward. And Bob Proctor told this information more than 60 years, and the same information I'm sharing with you. And because it worked and still working, and I have used it, I'm still using it every single day, because it's working for me, and I'm still working on myself every single day, because you are investing in yourself, taking the action, doing the homework, and this is an investment I have learned that how to invest in myself. Once you learn how, and then definitely things gonna make it's gonna be easy for you to do the things you want to do as a living on the purpose. So this is the only way to do it. And hopefully you're going to start doing that. You're going to make the decision and invest in yourself, and then you can help others. Thank you for watching the YouTube. If you like the YouTube, I would like to see your comments, and leaving the comment and subscribing. And it's definitely going to help me if you leave your comments, and I can improve myself and the information I'm sharing with you. And if you do need a further help, there's a email on the YouTube, and you can send me the email if you do need a further help around your personal goals and professional goals. And this is what I do, help with the personal goals and professional goals, and thinking to result going to help you to achieve your goals. So thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Your homework is today, whatever decision you have to make around your business, make the decision, and then move forward. This is the only way to move forward, making the decision. Either you have to spend time or money, whatever you have to do, and make the move. Don't just sit there to change the circumstances. You have to change the circumstances, and through yourself, everything going to change. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.